Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In my last video that I did, it was this crochet faux locks wig ponytail type thing, and I did get a request to show how I would add it onto a beanie. You guys, it's very simple, very easy, fun to do as well. You can make a lot of wigs like this. Okay, so the hair that I'm going to be using is this Rockin' Locks 2x Mumbo. Now, these do not have any of the loops at the top. The good thing about this hair is, I will say, when you do go to loop it and knot it, it's like you get two pieces for the price of one. Okay, the cons to me with this hair, you guys, I've done had this hair probably for about a year, have not used it. As you can see, I took it out of the pack, and immediately when I felt it, it was very rough, like very harsh and coarse. Like I could tell if I put this in my head, it was gonna irritate me, and it was gonna scratch. Like yeah, I just wasn't putting that in my head. But for a wig, I could definitely put this for a wig, because you know it's going to be on the beanie. It's not directly touching my head or my scalp or none of that, so it was perfect for this. And to me, when you add it onto a beanie, it reminds me of, you know, like the hats that you purchase like this that has the open end for your hair to come through. That's what it reminds me of, and I just love making these. Love making these types of wigs. So as always, you guys, I got Sunny right here. She is ready to go. And the good thing about this beanie that I have right here is I'm going to use this black one right here as my guide. So this is pretty much going to be the perimeter that I add my my faux locks to. And then, yeah, that's pretty much all I'm going to do, is I'm going to add it around this circle area right here. Alright, you guys, so this is what it's looking like. You guys, I think that is so cute. And you can do this on a solid headband as well. Look at that. Can't see nothing. And I think what I'm gonna do, because I always like to have some type of little, you know, pieces in the front, I think I'm also going to turn this inside out and crochet, you know, one piece, like just at the top, to where I can have like some little, you know, some little two pieces hanging down or something. So, because if you look right here, as you can see, this is the inside, but you can't see none of the hair that's crocheted on. So I'm gonna go ahead, pick a spot, and just crochet this a piece of hair on. Now let me see if I can try to explain this as best as I can. So what you want to do is just go ahead, pick a point, and put your crochet hook or a beater, whichever one. Put it all the way through your little piece right there, And then this end should be open. Your hook should be open. That's where you're going to latch on the little weave. So let's go ahead and get that piece. Once you latch that inside of the hook, you are then going to close it, lift up that little piece right there and close it. And as you do that, you will then just go ahead and pull it through. Once you pull it through, take the latch hook off. You should have a loop just like this. You're going to take the ends, pull it through the loop, and then just pull this to tighten it. Then that should be it. Now let's put this thing on Sunny and see what the heck it's looking like. Come on, Sunny. Hold on, y'all. Or I should just put it on myself. Alright. Look at that, you guys, and it's got the two pieces coming down. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, and then I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so I went on ahead and put it on. I did my little edges, and I ended up putting it in a bun. I got my two little pieces. I also added, you know, these little gold accessories. You can add them on there as well. You guys, I think it turned out so cute. So cute. I love the bun too. But, let's take the bun out. Yes, you guys, this is so cute, so easy. Love it. And these are optional. You don't have to add these two little pieces, but I always like to have something. You guys, I think this is cute. This is cute. This is pretty much like all I'm going to be wearing. And my other one, you guys, I just took that thing off. My other one, you guys, when I had this on and my husband came home, he was like, oh, you did your hair. Your hair is nice. Yeah, that's what I did. I did my hair, honey. Look at that. And it only takes about 2 packs to make one of these wigs. 2 packs and you good to go. I love it. You can push it back further if you want. You don't have to have it so up close, you know, or on your ears. That's just how I like to wear it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And like I said, the good thing about it is it's not on my hair. Like, it's not directly on my hair, so it's not itchy. It's not bothering me. It's not doing any of that. And I love it. Look at that. Super cute, super easy. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye. It's not the pity that you got. I'll leave the body